Corning, New York, Astoria Boulevard. Hi super friends, welcome back to my vlog. I can feel Christmas is just around the corner. There are spectacular decorations all over New York. Jolly faces wherever I go. The smell of chestnuts roasting on an open fire and fresh Christmas trees for sale on the sidewalks of Manhattan.
Christmas time is the loveliest time. It's the
Chilly weather, perfect for a SuperFriends hoodie. Now you can buy online and presents from SuperFriends. For this vlog, I'm going to unbox this. But before we start, if you are new here, my name is Fernando. Happy holidays to everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Super friends, let us start unboxing. This is from Andrian Paul. I have not seen him chat on any of my live shows, nor have I seen his comments on any of my videos. However, he is very active on Instagram. He collects Pokemon cards. That's right, Pokemon. So if you love Pokemon, I'm sure you're going to love his channel also. Oh, wow, he used the whole paper. How extravagant. And since he resides in New York, you would see from time to time pictures or posts about New York City. Montana West. Hannah Montana. Climb. Here, there is a note here. Andrian_3 from Instagram. You win some Pokemon card. Please click like on all my pics. I love your YouTube, and also from my mom, Zoreen. We love your show on YouTube. Andrian and Zoreen, thank you so much for this. I have 4 Pokemon cards. Very cute. And there's more. A hat. It's Thermax for extra warmth and comfort. Lined. Feels so soft and smooth. Let me see what else it says. Touch me. Touchez-moi. I already touched it. Let me try it on. There. Touchez-moi. Next. And gloves. Connex gear. Also lined. Very warm. I'm so ready for winter. Andrian, wait, is it Andrian or Andrian? You know, I'll call you Paul, it's easier. Paul, I'm going to use them today when I go to work. Thank you so much for my Pokemon cards, my beanie or my hat, and my gloves. And to your mother, Zoreen, super shout out. Hi super friends. This one is from AlexCootieArt. You all know who she is. She lives in upstate New York. I hope it's not fragile. Here. Oh wow. A dragonfly. Oh, I love dragonflies. I told her. A Christmas tree ornament. Dragonfly. On the flip side, Patrick and I looking like angels with dragonfly wings and poinsettia. We have 3. Oh, the bag is pretty. The mesh bag. Super Friends logo 2022. There's one more. I think this is for Patrick. Aren't they adorable? I'm going to put this on my Christmas tree once I find the time to put up my Christmas tree. Alex Cootie is very talented. Look how beautiful this one is. Alex, maraming salamat. The last one. Gingerbread house. Dragonflies again, favorite insects. Dearest Fernando, I hope you enjoyed this nesting dolls. Oh, nesting dolls. This one I purchased from her. I wish you the merriest Christmas ever. Hope you can come and visit me sometime. It's only 254 miles away. This is an invite Thank you so much, AlexCootie. We hope to see you next year. Nesting dolls. I saw this on her TikTok. They're very fascinating to me. Look, there's one nesting doll, and when you open, voila, another nesting doll. And you open again, one more is going to be revealed, a smaller one. And one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. No. Oh. 6. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Oh, only 5. And this is the smallest one. With butterfly. What caught my attention was this one. Dragonfly. In Manila, where I grew up, there was this vacant lot down the street where I live with weeds and grasses. I would go there with my friends and my siblings. We would catch dragonflies. That's why whenever I see a dragonfly, it reminds me of my childhood. And when I saw this on her TikTok, oh, I want that. And I bought it from her. This, I'm not sure if this is Alex. Alex, is this you? Butterfly. She would buy these nesting dolls blank or without decorations. Then she would adorn them by hand painting and adding all these cute pictures, fairies, butterfly here, and another one on top, and crystals. Look how pretty. If you want to see her work, like one-of-a-kind vintage earrings or bookshelves or cabinets, go check out her TikTok or Instagram, AlexCootieArt. If you want to purchase them, go there and send her a private message. They're perfect for Christmas presents. Super friends, that has been our unboxing video of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. AlexCootieArt and Andrian Paul and your mother, maraming salamat for these presents. Super friends, be kind, be safe, and salamat. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Happy holidays. And presents from Super Friends.